Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nayeli. I actually have my Twice Fourth World Tour t-shirt today. I wanted to show it to you guys really quick before we started the video. And for today's video, I am going to be showing you guys a nice little mystery bag of K-pop goodies. After we finished at the concert earlier this week, we actually went to the one in Fort Worth. And once we were done there, on our way was that same little K-pop store that I have gone to before called Tori in Austin. I showed you guys some of the things that I purchased my first time there. Today, I'm just going to be showing you guys the mystery bag that I got from Tori, as well as a couple other things towards the end. It's really not very much. But I am just a huge fan of any kinds of mystery boxes, mystery bags, whatever it be. And the fact that I was able to find one in that store containing K-pop goodies, I was just super duper excited. And it actually comes in this bag, which seems like something that you would receive in the mail. And on the price here, it says that it was originally $38.99, but they brought it down to $19.99. So when we came across this bag, I was trying to compare the weight and just kind of touching the contents and see if there was maybe something that I would be interested in. And just a quick disclaimer, I still consider myself a baby K-pop fan. I became a once in about 2019. Fancy was actually the first song that I became a huge fan of, and as well as Feel Special from Twice. And then from then on it was BTS's Idol. So those were my main groups at the very beginning. Now I've started to like a couple other groups like ITZY and TXT and Hyphen a little bit, but I'm not as knowledgeable as I am about the other groups, as well as just the newer things that are coming out at the moment. So I am aware of different groups, but I'm not like super well versed, or I may not recognize a lot of them. So just quick disclaimer there, but I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. And just because it says it's a K-pop gift bag, I literally have no idea what groups could be in here. They could be old, they could be new. And I'm just assuming that there's only stationery in here. I literally have no idea if there's gonna be like photo cards or nothing. I literally have no idea. So first off, I get a picture of Yeji, which is actually a picture that I already have from this store. So it's kind of funny. I guess I didn't need to buy it, but that's okay. It's fine. It's fine to have a repeat. And then this is just from their Guess Who album. It says so on the back of it. She looks freaking adorable. So cute. Okay, moving on. It seems that I have, ooh, a calendar from NCT. You know, this is one of the groups that I know about, but I don't really know the names of all the members. I recognize a few here and there, and I've heard some of their songs, but not quite as much of a fan. I want to become a better fan of more K-pop groups, because I just have this theory, like, you just can't go wrong with any group that you stan. I feel like there's just so much talent, there's so much work that goes into becoming an idol, and a lot of the music they produce, like, it's just so good. So I really believe that you could literally just like pick a random group and you'll love it, because they're also incredibly talented. Oh, so this is actually pretty cool because it has this little part here that you can kind of open up, and then you can just kind of flip the pages. Now the only thing about this one is that it is a 2020 through 2021 calendar, so we're a little beyond that, but this is nice to have just for the pictures themselves. They seem to be really nice quality. And I'm thinking that this is all the members from the subunits, because I believe they have multiple subunits. At first I was kind of confused, like, why are there so many different kinds of NCTs? There's like NCT U, NCT Dream, NCT like 127 or something like that. I don't know quite the numbers, but my boyfriend told me, like, I think there's subunits, and I looked into it, and yeah, that's actually what they are. So here's the 127. 127 again. I just know that I really like their Hot Sauce song. I don't know which of the NCT boys sing that one. But that's a really fun one. I also really like Favorite. That one is awesome. I love that song so much. So yeah, I mean, I just think that you get a nice little variety of images here. That's actually really cool. And if I do become a fan of the NCT subunits, then this could actually be really nice to have. Just as a reference, this image of Yeji was $199 originally, like on its own, and then the calendar normally would have costed $11.99 at this store. So moving on, yay! I got a photo card of BTS. Oh, I feel like the photo cards are the smaller size ones. I don't know if this is considered a photo card because it's a lot larger, but what I've noticed in this store is that they do larger ones as well. They have the options, and then some of them will come with a little stand, which is kind of cool. You can just set it on your desk, stare at them forever. My goodness, they look so good. Yay, I'm so happy that I got a BTS one. I really didn't know what to expect. The images on their own, I don't know that they have a price for them because I think normally they sell little packets, and the packets range from about $4.99 to $7.99. So not quite sure. We're reaching the end, and here we have, what is this? I think it's like a little poster thing of Monsta X, and this normally costs $8.95. Let me open it up. It looks like there's like some foamy behind it, so I don't know if that's just to help keep it. I think they literally just stuck this to like a piece of foam. I feel like this is kind of cool. Like if you were to go to one of their concerts, you could just turn this into like a little picket thing to hold it. I think that's actually pretty cool. Or you could just, like the other one, just set it on your desk. As I said before, I'm not very knowledgeable about other groups. I am aware of Monsta X, but they're not the ones that I listen to. I will say that the quality is a little bit less when it comes to this specific image in comparison to the other stuff that I've received. The other stuff is actually really good quality. This one to me just seems a little bit more, not exactly pixelated, but just not as HD as the other ones, but nevertheless still cool. I think that's just something that happens whenever you're trying to print out an image that is originally really small and then you're trying to print it in a larger size. So I'm thinking that's probably what happened there. Next, we have another little card that is normally $2.99, and I think this is BTS. The only thing about this is that they're super tiny. I wonder what I could do with this. Somehow put it on a projector or something, or scan it and maybe make it bigger, but then that would also mess up the image. I don't know. Because this is really tiny. Like I feel like I would need a little magnifying glass or something. That actually is not as horrible of an idea. Just put the magnifying glass right next to it whenever I want to admire them. There's a total of 15 images of the group, so that's kind of cool. I just wish that the size was a lot bigger. I'm actually quite happy that I've already gotten 2 BTS things. I just wish I could see them a lot larger. I think this is the last item that we have in here. Is this pen? Who are you? It says Born to Beat. I wonder if this is gonna write, okay. I thought it was gonna write in pink, but it actually writes in black. And let's see if I can show it to you guys a little bit better so y'all can appreciate it. I don't know if it's gonna show up well on camera, but it says Born to Beat. I'm assuming that's the name of the group. Don't know. And then it says the names. So it says Changsu, Angkwang, Hyunshik, Ilyun, Minhyuk, Penyen, and Sungjae. Probably butchered all of those names. But that is this pen. Pretty neat. It's a pretty cute idea. But then again, the quality of this one isn't as nice as other ones as well. It's understandable. That's something that I found to occur at this specific store. I'm thinking that maybe some of the vendors that, you know, sell to them maybe people who create their own stuff, more like fan-based, and they may also get stuff directly from the companies who create the merch for these. So you're gonna find both ends of quality. Specifically at this store, I have also seen that they have light sticks. So if you're in the Austin area and you maybe are a fan of certain groups that aren't like crazy popular, you may be lucky to find a light stick of your preferred K-pop group. I was actually surprised, but they have a lot of Stray Kids light sticks. I was like, not a Stray Kids fan just yet, but I am very intrigued because it's kind of like NCT. Like, I know about them, I like some of their songs a lot, but I just haven't like taken the deep dive into them. Yeah, I specifically remember there were a lot of Stray Kids ones. I saw one for Jungha. I don't know how to pronounce her name, sorry. Off the top of my head, I can't even remember what other group light sticks there were. I also have a lot of albums. Albums they do have a lot more of rather than the light sticks, but something to consider if you are in the area or, you know, in Texas. There are other stores, just depending on the city that you live in, where you may have luck and find that they have also light sticks, but just in case you are near Austin. But that's what I got from my baggie, from my little K-pop gift bag. Let me tally up the price of everything that I got in the mystery bag. So yeah, that's about $39, which does make sense to what this little baggie says is the kind of the original price, what everything adds up to. And I want to say that those prices are actually fair. They didn't raise the prices because that does make sense to things that they normally sell. So getting all this for basically half off is pretty good in my opinion. I think it's a good value for what you get. I really like this idea, and I really hope that the next time that I go back, they have another set of mystery bags, because I will definitely want to get my hands on him. And I feel like finding things from different groups kind of makes me want to learn more about them now that I already have like a little piece of merch from them. Oh my goodness. They're so handsome. I'm sorry, I just had to show this to you guys again. I wasn't lying to you guys when I said that I had previously purchased some images from Guess Who, from ITZY, because that is this one right here, the one that I went to purchase back again because I had purchased all the other members except for hers. Like, I literally remember eyeing it, but I guess I just didn't put it in my little stack, so I found out when I was already home. And if you've seen my previous video, you'll know. Another thing that I actually purchased was from here, which was kind of random. Sometimes I'll also have random little skincare trinkets. So I found this hydrogel lip patch from the Creme Shop in its collaboration with Hello Kitty. And right now at this time, Hello Kitty is very popular among TikTok basically. So people are all over it, and I just thought it was really cute to kind of try this out. I'm really curious to do so. And it says that it's supposed to plump, heal, and revitalize your lips, and it is collagen and 24K gold. I don't know about that. That's kind of crazy. Strawberry flavored. It says to gently apply the mask onto clean, dry lips. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then discard. Massage remaining formula into lips. No need to rinse. For best results, use twice a week. And then yeah, the funky thing is that it has a lot of extracts and fragrances that can provide a lot of sensorial or smelling experiences. So I don't know exactly how that's gonna be. I'm really curious. I think what I'll probably do is I'll showcase this for you guys on a short. That's what kind of like makes more sense to me. Also, I'm already wearing some tint on my lips, so I don't really want to mess with that. But this was $7.99, so I'm curious to try it out. Thought it was really cute. And then the last things that I purchased were some sets of photo cards. So that's why I was telling you guys, for the one that I got from BTS, I wasn't quite sure how to measure its price. These both costed $6.99. First off, we have Mr. V from BTS. I'm gonna go through these rather quickly. And then I was surprised to find this photo sticker from RM. Looks like back in the earlier days. But I really like these because they have multiple. It's not just one, and then it's a sticker so you can put it wherever you want. Next we've got this group, NCT. It just literally says NCT on the back, so it looks kind of like a postcard. And this is the image of the members. It's a really, really nice quality. Next we've got Momoland. Girls looking really pretty. This is one of those that has a little stand in the back. Then next we've got another photo sticker from Winner, and it has a total of 5 images. Next we've got 17. I don't know who this is, it doesn't include their name, but this is a really pretty picture and it contains the stand in the back. And then we've got an image of one of the members from Wanna One. Very, very handsome. And here in the back, it has an image of the members very, very like lightly printed onto there. So I thought that was kind of cool. And then finally, we have an image of BTOB. Also a very nice picture, really good quality, and it has a little stand in the back. So that was the first set. We got a total of 8 images. And then I bought this one purely because I saw Jungkook. And then on the other side, we have cute little Taehyung. Oh, I love her so much. We have cute little Taehyung here. I love this picture of her. She looks so beautiful. And then it's kind of like a little, almost like a Valentine's card. It says to and from, and it has a cute little decoration in the back. I love her so much. Next, we actually have Stray Kids, and I want to say the mixtape is probably the name of one of their albums. So this is actually pretty good to have if I end up becoming a fan of them. Here is another photo sticker of 101. Very, very handsome. I'm sure if you're a fan of 101, you probably will really like this. Another 101. More like a postcard. That's cute. Next, we have Dongwoo from Infinite, which the last time I purchased one of these photo card sets from this Tory store, I also got an image from them. Has a little stand in the back. And then we've got another member from 17. From Icon, we have a photo sticker with a total of 7 images. So that's really cool. And of course, our Jungkook at the very end. He's so cute. Oh, and it has a stand here in the back as well. His signature is so elaborate. This just about wraps up everything that I purchased from Tory in Austin. I've really become a fan of this little store, and I just wish that there were like so many more of these types of stores near me so that I wouldn't have to make such a long drive. But you know, if I'm ever in town, I think that I am definitely gonna try to make it a point to visit them, because I just have such a good time just looking through all the different things that they have. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. What did y'all think about this little mystery bag? Are there any groups that you are a fan of that I received some things from? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!